Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Olade, and in today's video I'll be taking you guys along with me on my wash day and style. And for today's video I'll be doing fluffy mini twist. Y'all don't get me started, I am in love. Today is actually our first day in this rosemary hair growth challenge, so I wanted to bring you guys along and share my journey with y'all. In my previous video I introduced this challenge to you guys and also showed you guys my regimen on what this challenge will be like for the next 2 months. The reason why I chose rosemary for this 2-month challenge is because my scalp was suffering, y'all. It was itchiness, flakiness, it was crazy. So I did my research and found that rosemary is something that I should try, so we're trying it. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Like I said, this is the first of many videos for this challenge, so stay tuned, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out. I'm telling you guys, you do not want to miss, okay? And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started on my wash day and style. I had these cornrows in for a week and there are some flakes that are kind of visible. I really needed to have access to my scalp so that I could treat it before going into today's wash day. For this takedown / pre-poo process, I will be mixing conditioner, distilled water, and aloe vera juice to help me give some slip so that I'm not creating any unnecessary breakage. And this solution makes my hair so soft. So before I thoroughly detangle my hair, I divide my hair into 6 sections on each side. So for one side, I have 3 in the front and 3 in the back. See, another reason why I decided that rosemary should be my next challenge is because I experience, in my opinion, a lot of shedding. I feel like my hair sheds more than it needs to, and I don't need a lot of hair coming out of my head every time I touch my hair. No, it shouldn't be that way. So that was another reason why I decided that I wanted to incorporate rosemary into my regimen. I want to see if over time the shedding decreases. I pray that it does because we trying to keep this hair. So after I do all of this and detangle, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. I want to show you guys the shedding that I get, and then once this challenge is over, I'm going to compare to see if rosemary has really done anything for me reducing shedding. So we'll see. I have high expectations. I am done detangling my hair. I got 6 twists on each side. Let me show you all the shedding. Like this is much for me, you know? Just detangling with my hair being in cornrows, like what's going on scalp, you know? So hopefully with me doing this rosemary challenge, I see less shedding than this. So now it's time to shampoo. It's time to shampoo. For this shampoo session, I've decided to do 3 washes to really make sure that my hair is cleansed. For the first round, I focus on the entirety of my head and making sure to remove as much product buildup and dirt as I can. For the second round, I pretty much do the same thing. With my hair being much more thicker than it was in the past, I realized how important this step is. I noticed that I have to put more time into cleansing my hair to avoid having scalp issues like flaking and itching. For the third and final round of cleansing, I thoroughly massage my scalp with my fingertips and rake the shampoo through my hair for every section. After rinsing out the shampoo, the next step in my wash day is deep conditioning.
So the reason why I like to keep my hair braided when I'm rinsing out my deep conditioner is because my hair remains detangled. But with me leaving in these braids, I take some time to fully rinse it out. I like to squeeze my hair and especially my roots for a good amount of time. Then I finish everything off with my rosemary tea rinse.
Hey guys, so happy that you made it this far into the video. This is our second part of the video, which is me showing y'all how I do my fluffy mini twist. I'm gonna keep this styling for 2 weeks and then I'm gonna change it up because my birthday is coming up, you know what I'm saying. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my fluffy mini twist using my rosemary products. And if you wanna know more about those, I showed you guys how I make rosemary tea, oil, and grease. I made my own grease. Oh my god, oh my god. Let's go ahead and get into today's style. So my hair was washed 2 days ago. Today is Wednesday. I washed my hair on Monday, as I showed in my regimen as well. So I had braids in and I just took them all down and just twisted it up. And all I did was spray it with my rosemary water just so I can be able to detangle. And y'all know anytime I prepare for a hairstyle, I always get my parting in and done out of the way first. So in the back, I'm not gonna worry too much about parting. One, because they're fluffy mini twists and you really won't be able to see it so much. And two, time. So it's still gonna look good regardless. In the front, I am gonna worry about parts though, in the front for sure. I want to make sure that my parts are clean. And if you want to learn how to part your own hair, I have a video where I share a lot of my tips and tricks, very, very detailed. So if you need help with that, that video is there for you and is linked up here as well as other videos are linked up here, so check those out. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, probably Mael. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong. I'll be using their Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream, as well as the Talia Wajid. If I'm pronouncing that right, y'all can let me know. The Curly Curl Cream. This is what I used for my first mini twist, and I love this product. This is how this product looks. Hopefully these products blend well together. Let's go ahead and check. The Curly Curl Cream is a very thick product. It's a very thick, ooh, I can feel like the mintiness. Is that a word? The mint from the Daily Styling Cream. Okay. Blends pretty good. That's good. So right now I'm just moisturizing my hair and taking care of my scalp before I put in the style. I'm gonna use my rosemary oil to seal in that moisture. That's nice. So I'm gonna get some of my grease and put that on my scalp because greasing my scalp for me is important. So I'm gonna do this for every single section on my head. This is me setting a good foundation for my style. So what I wanna start with is a braid. And I'm gonna braid maybe 3 to 4 times and then begin twisting. And when I twist at the root, I'm gonna be a bit close to it, but once I start going down to the shaft of my hair, I'm gonna back up all the way down, holding the ends of my twist, and then just twisting like this. And once the twist makes it to the bottom, I'm gonna keep twisting so that it's kind of tight at the end. And once I make it to the end, I wanna get some more of that Curly Curl Cream and then just lock that in just like that. So you can see the twist is not too tight. It's kind of fluffy and I want that texture to come through. With me choosing to do it this way, which is kind of fluffy, is gonna give me more volume. I want to quickly show you guys a little tip that I have to kind of keep your pieces even whenever you're twisting down, okay? So whenever I want to braid first, this is like a little technique that I discovered. So I split that section in half, not into equal threes, right? Just in half. And then for one of those sections, since I'm left-handed, I'm gonna do this left side here. I'm gonna put my finger through that one and then braid. So when I get to a certain point, the side that I split, I'm gonna combine that side together. You can kind of feel it whenever you're twisting which part is the smallest too. So I'm gonna combine those two smallest parts, and then I have an even twist all the way down. Frizz is my friend for this style. I want my twist to be a little frizzy so it could fluff up a bit and give me that fluffy texture that I'm going for. This style, you really embrace your hair texture. Really cute. So I'm gonna split this section in half to as much as a half that I can get it to, and then I'm gonna split this into two as well. So now I have 3 sections, and then I'm gonna braid it once, twice, 3, 4. Then now I have these 2 smaller sections in my left hand, like on the left side again, and then I'm just gonna end up twisting that to even sections for my twist. And as you can see, I am twisting really low. I'm not like real close to the root of the twist like this, right? As I usually do if I'm doing like mini twist, like just regular mini twist. But if I want like a fluffier look, I'm gonna end up twisting down here and go down. And you guys can kind of see that texture coming out from the twist. And once I get to the end, I'm gonna twist it a bit more so it can kind of lock and tighten up down here. Then get some more of that curly curl cream and make my ends curly. Just like that, to lock it in place. And once I let it go, and over time, my twist is gonna expand, fluff up, look the way it needs to, right? You can barely see the parts because the hair is kind of thick, and that's my idea for the back of my hair. I'm just gonna use my finger to part. I'm not gonna be too particular with the back, but for the front, I like to be very neat, you know, just in case I wanna do different updo styles. You can see clean parts there. So this side is done, and it took me less than 30 minutes. If I wasn't recording, probably take me shorter. I really love how light it is. There's a lot of movement, there's a lot of body, you know what I'm saying? You can really see my texture, so nice. Parts are nice and clean in there. And these parts are like medium size as well. So, the curly curl cream did wonders for my ends, keeping it nice and clean, curly and crisp. Yay. So this is the final look. I really love this hairstyle. It is a low manipulation and a low tension hairstyle. Very simple and easy to maintain. And most importantly, I have access to my scalp. My texture really shines within this hairstyle, and I love it. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and I want you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your notifications so you are notified every single time I post a new video, and I do not want you guys to miss out. I love and appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.